SpaceX's astonishing achievement, 2 Falcon 9 launches in 72 hours. In the realm of space exploration, SpaceX is rewriting the rules. Its latest feat, 2 Falcon 9 launches in just 3 days. Witness the power of human ambition, as Falcon 9 rockets pierce through the atmosphere, a testament to SpaceX's relentless innovation. The first launch, Starlink's 17th mission, a spectacle that lit up the night sky. 60 more satellites deployed, expanding global internet coverage. 2 days later, a second Falcon 9 blazed into the blue. A turbocharged turnaround that's shaking up the space industry. But SpaceX isn't stopping there. With reusable rockets and meticulous planning, they're setting the pace for an unprecedented frequency of launches. Redefining what's possible, accelerating the journey to the stars. SpaceX, 2 Falcon 9 launches in 72 hours. The new benchmark for space exploration.